rifle work in the opener part 1 from the front with counts. So you'll come up facing the back, 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn 9, 10, 11, 12, push 13, 14, 15, 16. Out 1, triple. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then it'll be an 8 count ripple. So it'll go on 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you catch early, you'll just hold here. And then all together we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Out 1, 2, 3. And you'll just grab double and your free hands will cross, 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 cross. And then so you'll catch on 3 or 4 depending on the music, and then you'll push 5. So knuckle roll 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7, 8, 9. Flourish 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then A's will go 1, 2, 3, 4, B's will go 5, 6, 7, 8, A's will go 10, 11, 12, B's will go 14, 15, 16, and then all together you'll swish 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, come to here, and you'll kind of pop it up, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, so you'll grab it, you'll pop it up, and then as you turn to the front, and from here it's musically, the counts don't really match up, so you'll turn to the front, and then it's like the hit with the group. So it'll be like dun 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 dun, bum bum bum. Turn to the strap, and your thumb is down. Bum 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 bum. And then B's will go on that second one. Dun 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 bum. Hit hit, turn, up up, hit.